Imagine living with diabetes and having to inject yourself with insulin several times a day. Here's what a normal insulin syringe looks like. It's pretty small and might be hard to handle, but seems intuitive to the average user. Just pull up on the syringe plunger until the bottom of the plunger aligns with the number corresponding to your desired dosage. Now, imagine using a syringe that looks like this. How do you know where to pull the syringe plunger up to? It might seem silly, but this is a challenge frequently faced by many worldwide, namely the visually impaired or the innumerate. The clip works by snapping onto the syringe around the barrel and around the syringe plunger. When the user pulls up on the syringe as usual, the clip prevents the user from taking up any more insulin than the desired dose. Each clip includes numerical and braille raised lettering, as well as a color coding system, to indicate the corresponding dosage. The set currently comes in doses from 5 to 50 units in increments of 5 and is compatible with a 50-unit BD insulin syringe. Acudose syringe clips are currently 3D printed, but the inventors hope to move towards injection molding as the design develops further. Here's an example of how an Acudose clip would be used to administer an insulin injection. First, the user would choose the clip corresponding to the desired dose and snap it onto the device. The user would then pull up on the clip until it can go no further, taking in just air. The user would then inject the air into the vial so as not to create a vacuum upon extraction. Subsequently, one would pull the syringe clip until again it can go no further, loading the syringe with the correct amount of insulin. The syringe would then be removed from the vial, flicked gently to ensure there are no bubbles or air pockets, and finally injected into the patient. Acudose syringe clips have many benefits. First, they are low cost. Each clip costs less than 7 cents to produce using the current method of production, and with mass production this number would only drop. Acudose's low cost is crucial in making the device accessible to all populations in both developed and developing nations. Second, the device is easy to use. One simply must snap the device on and use the wide handles to pull up the barrel. The device causes nearly no change in a diabetic patient's normal routine. Third, the device is accommodating of users with a variety of abilities. The braille and color coding ensures the device is accessible to the vision impaired, and the color coding makes the device accommodating to those that may not be able to read or understand numbers. Lastly, Acudose is a sustainable solution as it is reusable. Although syringes must be thrown away after each use, the syringe clip may be reused many times.